So hi everyone, in this video we are going to see a Java program that can be used to check whether a number is even or odd. So we will be checking by dividing the number with 2. If the remainder is 0, then it is an even number, and if the remainder is not 0, then it is an odd number. So this logic we are going to implement in our program. So I'm just creating a new Java class. I'm giving name as is even. I am checking the public static void main and finish. So as we are going to take input from the user, so we have to import the scanner class. So import java.util.scanner. So in the main method, we have to create an object for the scanner class, right? Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Now we are going to take input from the user. Let's say I'm giving the input variable name as input. Before taking input from the user, we can show a message, right? Enter a number like that. So for that I'm giving a message like enter a number. I am not writing here print ln because I want to take input from the user in the same line, so that's why I'm not giving ln. Now we can take input from the user, so input equal to sc dot next int. We got the input from the user. Now we can implement our logic, that is if the input remainder, if we divide the input by 2 and we got the remainder is like 0, then it will show like input is an even number, else it will show like input is an odd number. Just copy paste and I am changing even to odd. Now I think I am done with the program, as we don't have any work with the scanner object, so we can close it. Close. Now there is no warning and there is no error, I guess. Let's save it, Control S, then run it. So enter a number. Let's say I'm giving 45, enter. 45 is an odd number. Again I am giving, let's say 10084, so it is an even number. So like that you can check whether a number is even or odd. Just follow the steps. If you have any doubt in any steps, then you can write down in the comment box. I will definitely reply on your comment. That's all about for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.